Let's talk about this little kitchen MVP. First up, it comes with accessories for canning, which means yes, you can seal your jars without buying a whole separate contraption. Love that for us. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mason jar sealer, and the best part is you just press one button and it just goes. That's my kind of appliance. Now, if you watch here in just a second, I'm going to show how it sucks the air out so fast thanks to its fancy copper core motor. It seals tight with a silicone design that keeps food fresh for months. I'm talking meats, veggies, leftovers, half a slice of pizza that's been left over if that's your vibe. You've got 8 smart modes depending on what you're sealing: wet stuff, dry stuff, delicate stuff. It even has a built-in cutter and bag storage, which honestly feels like a love letter to my organized chaos. So if you're tired of your food going bad or your freezer burn ruining all your hard work, this is your sign. Here it is.
Hey, real quick before you go, if this video helped you at all in any way, would you just give me a like? Maybe subscribe if you're interested in future things that I post. And also, as always, the link to this product is linked in the description. Thanks for watching.